Hello and welcome to my channel. For this project I will be using two cardboard boxes. Using a pencil I will draw a sketch in a large cardboard box, then use a permanent marker for outlining the final cut. Due to the size of the cutout, I will cut the box in half so that both sides will line up properly before cutting the outline of the drawing. This is what I was referring to. To avoid the top piece from sliding off when trying to cut both pieces at the same time, I prefer to cut one, then trace it to the other piece, then cut that one out. Using another box, I cut wide strips for the sides of the cutout, then fold them where it's needed. I now glue the strips to the cutout. For this project, I will add 3 candy compartments. Be sure to trim the cardboard to fit inside. For this type of project, I like to use this type of rope. It's 3 smaller ropes twisted into one for a stronger hold. For a better hold, I glue other pieces of cardboard for adding the rope. This way, the rope will not easily rip through the cardboard. This also gives added strength to the piñata to hold the weight of the candy or treats it will be filled with inside. This part is optional. For added strength, I like to add reinforcement. Adding glue to the reinforcement tabs, I attach the other side of the cutout, then glue the sides. I now trim any excess sticking out. For added strength, I like to add extra glue to the edges on both sides of the piñata. strips of copy paper and paper mache mix to seal the edges. In this video's description, I will have a link to the video that shows how to make this paper mache mix recipe. I first prep the cardboard by painting any words or logos. I will add a thin coat of joint compound and water mix as it acts as a primer. By doing this, I do not have to use lots of paint. Usually 2 coats of paint will do. Once it's dry, I will draw details and then paint it. The items I used to make this are listed in this video's description. Remember to cut a hole for each candy compartment. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.